Oh my god, I really don't know what to say in this intro. It's a curly hair video. Y'all love those. So just keep watching. Welcome. Hey Corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Alright, as per usual, let's talk about the song of the motherfucking week. I've just been riding the Bruno Mars train, okay? Every time he releases a single, I can't help but to only listen to him because this man has a weird magical hold on me and I can't control myself. So that brings us to the song of the week being Please Me by Bruno Mars featuring Cardi B. I know this is a bit of an older song. It released in 2019. I know, but I'm sorry, this is a bop. And it deserves all the recognition. That's it. Let's move on. All right, now that's out of the way. Let's get into this video. So as you saw by the title of this video, today we're gonna be testing two different routines, and I'm gonna be putting them side by side so that you see what is the difference between styling your natural wavy hair with a Denman brush versus without a Denman brush. Like, what's the difference in definition, volume, texture? Because the Denman brush is highly hyped up in the wavy / curly girl community. So anyways, let's just get started. Let's start with the Denman brush routine. Take it away, Nemesis from a few days ago. Hey! Alright, so I just freshly washed my hair. If you are wondering, my Denman brush is the 7-row one. Okay, so I left my hair in the towel for longer than I wanted to, so I'm just gonna re-wet my hair a little bit. Okay, I feel like that's wet enough. And first, I'm gonna start with my defining cream. Yes, I am still using this one. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk defining cream. I don't know, I've been trying other ones. I swear I've been trying other ones because I want to show you guys like different ones that I've been liking, blah, blah, blah. But somehow I keep coming back to this one. It's just so good. It's just the perfect balance between being defining and thick and moisturizing. I don't know, and it's also affordable, so I will always recommend this one. This whole line of Curl Talk from Not Your Mother's, good shit. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking that defining cream and just raking it through my hair. You can definitely like divide your hair even in more sections to do this step. I just divide my hair into like this side, and that's enough for me. All right, so after raking, I just then start scrunching without adding any more product. Gonna do the same on the other. Oh my god, I'm running low on it already. No! I do the same thing on the other side, and I always take about that much per side. After doing that, I go with my hair gel, and I'll put a picture here of my favorite gel that I recently ran out of, and I was gonna repurchase it. I mean, I definitely am, but I couldn't find it, and I saw this. This is the Kinky Curling Custard, and I've never used it. So this is a risk. If you are seeing this video, it means that it worked out. So I'm just gonna use it the same way that I use my gel from Curls, which is, you know, pretty heftily. I like using quite a lot of gel. I'm gonna take about that much for this whole side, and bro, I don't know if I'm gonna be using this correctly, but I'm just gonna use it the same way I would use my gel, and it's by scrunching. Yo, this smells delicious. I want to eat it. Gonna take the same amount-ish. I don't know, I'm not measuring this, but oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, she's sticky. Love it. All right, now the gel has been applied, let's actually start with this little baby right here. So a few things have changed since like I last filmed a video using my Denman brush. In that video, I showed that I would use the Denman brush kind of like a like a little curling iron, I would just twist the hair around and then let it go. And that is totally acceptable. If that method works for you, please keep doing it. Don't mind me. But the way that I use it now is that I take a chunk of hair like that and I just brush, first of all, upwards to achieve some root lifting and volume. Let it fall and then do this to it and then scrunch it back up. What happened, baby?
Try it. Hi. It's good, right?
It's good. And I just kind of do that same thing all over my hair. There is something just freaking magical about this brush, that it helps your hair clump together better. I don't know what the science is behind this. I just know that it works and it's great. If you are wondering where did I learn this technique, like why did I all of a sudden started using this technique, TikTok. Everything in my life that happens now is basically taken from there. Also, shameless plug, if you don't follow me on TikTok yet, what the fuck are you doing? I promise I'm fun in that app. Also, like another piece of advice, make sure that your hair is actually pretty substantially wet while you are doing this, because trust me, the water will help you manipulate like your pattern. If you are a curly person, water is your friend. It's always your friend. Okay, yay. What the fuck is this? After doing that, I always like to take the same microfiber towel that I used to dry my hair when it was right out of the shower, to just kind of do this, not to plop, but just to kind of squish out a little bit of that water excess now that we're done styling. But just be careful because you don't want to ruin the work that you just put on your hair. But that's it. And then after this, I just diffuse like normal. If you're curious to know how I diffuse my hair, like what techniques do I use or whatever, I'll link a video here in the cards where I show how it is that I diffuse my hair. But right now I'm just gonna do it off camera. It's pretty boring. Let me just give you one last close-up of what it looks like after the Denman Brush. And now I'm gonna go. See you soon. Hey. Okay, I'm sorry if the lighting looks fucking weird. I know the sun is going down, the white balance of the camera. Girl, I don't know, but I need to film this quick because the sun is going down. Anyways, my hair is dry. Hello. And yes. In my humble opinion, we had a successful wash day. And okay, so this is the thing, this is the most important thing about the Denman brush. It gives me this type of definition. Like you see this little, look at that little, so cute. I'ma just give y'all a good look here so that you can really see like through my hair. The definition was definitely achieved and I am very happy. Let me give you a little 360 moment. I really truly appreciate this volume and this definition, baby. Hoo-hoo. We're looking good. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you next time I wash my hair for just some regular styling with no Denman brush. Okay, bye. See you in a few days. Hello. This is a look. It's a few days later. I washed my hair. First of all, my hair has been in this towel for way too long. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to spray it with water. But okay, this is key. Since my hair has been plopping in this towel, like you can definitely still see the little clumps that formed in the shower still there, still holding it together. And we're gonna leave it like that. We're not going to I'm not gonna rake any product. I'm just gonna be scrunching in every single product that I'm gonna apply. Let me first re-wet my hair real quick. So I'm gonna be obviously using the same products that I used on that last clip you saw. So I'm gonna go first with my defining cream, but instead of dividing my hair in the middle, I'm just gonna take it all like this, like without dividing my hair, because I don't want to break the clumps that already formed. This is the routine I do when I don't really want to spend that much time styling my hair right out of the shower. This is the quick and easy one, the one that like I just put the freaking styling products on, dry it, and carry on with my day. I don't really have time to like divide my hair in sections, pass the Denman brush all throughout my hair, like absolutely freaking not. This is the wash and go. Okay, so I just put my defining cream. Now I'm gonna go with the same gel custard thing situation. I'm just scrunching in the product again. Like, this is my most basic fucking routine. But like, look how good the curl clumps are looking though. Make sure to get like the bottom back sections of your hair, because those are usually forgotten. If you are following this routine and you're flipping your hair like I'm doing, to get under your hair too. Okay, I'm just gonna flip my head over and apply. Yes, I'm wearing pajama pants. Do not come for me, okay? I'm just gonna take one last bit and then just like pat it all through and then scrunch it back in. I'm gonna take the microfiber towel again and do the same thing that I did on my other routine and just kind of squish my hair in it. And that's it. That's it. That's the whole entire styling process. Now I'm just gonna go diffuse, which is the boring part. And that's it. I'll be right back when this is dry so we can compare results, okay? Be right back. Was that transition smooth? Let me know. Anyways, hi, my hair is dry. I think honestly the major difference between this and that last wash day that you saw of me using the Denman brush is that my clumps are a bit smaller. There's more waves than curls going on, because that's what the Denman brush like helps with, you know? That's the point of using the Denman brush, to really define those bigger clumps of curls, you know? But I love both results. Like, I don't like one on top of the other. Like, I like both results equally. Maybe you guys don't even see a difference between these two wash days. Okay, so I'm gonna do a side by side so that you can see the difference between, you know, Denman brush and no Denman brush. I mean, let me know, do y'all actually see a difference? Let me give you a 360 look. Yay. Oh my god, I feel like here it's all messed up. This is how we looking. This is how we looking in the back. So yeah, let me know if you do actually see a difference, and if you think it's worth the time of like actually brushing your whole entire head of hair with that freaking Denman brush section by section. All right, and that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Maybe you learned a thing or two. I don't know, maybe you can like make a decision if you actually really do want to invest in having a Denman brush and like using it, learning how to use it. I don't know, like I really hope this helped. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I post all types of beauty content, from hair to makeup to skincare to fashion. Also follow me on Instagram at Mimeo6 for more pictures of my face, and on TikTok for more little personality content. So we can get to know each other. Let's connect. And most importantly, girl, boy, gender non-binary, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.